Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay. So suppose that you have been now invited to existing repository and you have to copy that code to your local machine and you have to start working. Okay. So there is a very simple command to clone the remote repository to your local machine so that you can work on your local machine and make the changes. Okay. To do this, you need to be logged in into your GitHub account, okay, and then click on this code, copy this particular URL which is shown here. Okay, let me click on this copy, okay, and go back to my file explorer. Okay, wherever you want to clone your repository, right click here and open Git Bash. Okay, you can directly open Git Bash and navigate to the folder wherever you want to clone your repository. Okay, this is the simplest way. Right click and then open the bash. Okay, so now there is a command named git clone followed by the repository URL. Okay, if I hit enter, it will start downloading the repository to my local machine. Okay, if you can see 100% is downloaded. Okay, and if you also see this intro to Git is now on my local machine. You can check the code, it has having all the codes. Okay, this is the simplest way of downloading the code or cloning the code on your local machine. Okay, that's all for this video.